Get ready, Hamster Warriors. Hamster Kombat is about to hit Bybit, and the ultimate airdrop is just around the corner. Could this be your ticket to crypto success, or is there more to the story? Stay tuned as we dive into everything you need to know to make the most of this high-stakes opportunity. Alright, let's get straight to it. September 26th is officially D-Day for Hamster Kombat. This isn't just another date. It's the day that could redefine your crypto journey. Whether you're a veteran player or just now catching the buzz, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Grab a pen, set multiple alarms. Heck, tattoo it on your arm if you have to. You do not want to miss this. If you're thinking, finally, it's about time, you're in good company. We've all been riding this roller coaster, waiting for the moment when Hamster Kombat would make its big move. But here's where it gets tricky. This announcement feels like it's come out of nowhere. Is this a confident stride toward the future, or are we teetering on the edge of something risky? Hold on to your hats, Hamster Warriors, because the latest bombshell is that Hamster Kombat is officially listing on Bybit. This is huge. Bybit isn't just any exchange. It's one of the top platforms in the crypto world, known for its robust trading features and massive user base. Getting listed on Bybit isn't just a milestone for Hamster Kombat, it's a potential game changer for everyone holding hamster tokens. So, what does this mean for you? First and foremost, visibility. Bybit's reputation and global reach mean that hamster tokens are about to be exposed to millions of traders worldwide. This could lead to a surge in demand, driving up the token's value and putting it on the radar of serious investors. If you've been holding onto your tokens, this might be the moment you've been waiting for to see significant gains. Now, if you've been concerned about OKX not being available in your region, there's good news. You can link your Bybit account to Hamster Kombat, ensuring you're ready for the airdrop and any trading opportunities that come your way. And that's not all. Word on the street is that more exchanges like Binance and others are coming soon. This means even more options for trading and managing your hamster tokens, increasing accessibility for players worldwide. But with great opportunity comes great risk. The listing on Bybit could also introduce new challenges. Increased visibility means more scrutiny, and the token's performance on such a major exchange could either boost its credibility or expose its weaknesses. There's also the potential for heightened volatility. Prices could soar, but they could also crash just as quickly. This listing could be the golden goose that elevates Hamster Kombat to new heights, making early adopters very happy. However, it could also bring about unforeseen challenges for those who aren't prepared. As always in the crypto world, it's crucial to stay informed, keep a close eye on market trends, and be ready to adapt to whatever comes next. Now, let's talk about those cryptic keys Hamster Kombat keeps flaunting. They've made a comeback, and this time they're surrounded by imagery straight out of a blockbuster superhero flick. Doors, mystical hamsters, the works. It's like they're daring us to figure out the next piece of this ever-evolving puzzle. So, what's the deal? My best guess? These keys are still central to unlocking some serious rewards. Maybe they're your ticket to untold fortunes, or maybe they're just another mind-bending twist in this already wild ride. Either way, Hamster Kombat is keeping us guessing, and that's half the fun, isn't it? Let's get tactical. If you're aiming to make the most out of this airdrop and the Bybit listing, preparation is key. First up, profit per hour, PPH. This is your bread and butter, your golden hamster wheel. The higher your PPH, the better positioned you'll be when the tokens drop. Maximize this as much as you can before the big day. And don't underestimate the power of skins. These aren't just for show, a slick-looking hamster could give you the edge you need. Combine that with car upgrades. If you're not at level 15 by now, you're playing catch-up. Think of these upgrades as turbo boosters for your crypto gains. New to the game? There's a fresh puzzle challenge called Hexapuzzle, and let me tell you, it's more addictive than your morning coffee. If you're looking to boost your gameplay, check out my previous vids where I break it all down. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. You'll want to be the first to know when the next big update drops. So, what's really on the line here? Could this be your golden ticket to crypto riches, or are we just running in circles? The Bybit listing is the moment of truth, a chance to see if all those hours spent grinding were worth it. It's the potential payoff we've all been dreaming of. But with this rushed announcement, there's a nagging feeling that something's off. It's like Hamster Kombat is trying to serve up a gourmet feast, but we're not sure if they've got all the ingredients. Will this be the jackpot we've been waiting for, or are we looking at a half-baked crypto disaster? Here's my advice: stay cautiously optimistic. Keep grinding, keep upgrading, and most importantly, keep collecting those keys. Hamster Kombat is still a game of chance, one that could turn us into crypto millionaires or leave us with nothing but a bunch of virtual hamster wheels. But that's the thrill, right? We're all here for the excitement, the potential to strike it big. Hamster Kombat has already given us one wild ride, and with the Bybit listing, the stakes have never been higher. So, what's your strategy? Are you all in, ready to ride this wave to the moon, or are you hedging your bets, Prepared to jump ship if things go south? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's get the discussion going. In the world of crypto, anything can happen. One day you're just another hamster, and the next you're cruising in a Lambo, hamster-sized, of course. Stay sharp, stay nimble, and keep those hopes high. We're in for a wild ride, and trust me, this is just the beginning. Want the latest updates faster than a hamster on a wheel? Subscribe to our YouTube channel and consider becoming a channel member. It helps keep the content rolling in. Huge shout out to all my channel members. Your support is everything. Until next time, keep those wheels spinning, and let's see where this crazy journey takes us.